Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stoic Path, your one-stop shop for fitness, wellness, and health tips. Today, we're diving into something we all struggle with, breaking bad habits. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 6 easy steps to help you break any bad habit in just 21 days. Now, we've all been there. Whether it's binge watching too much TV, eating junk food, or hitting snooze a dozen times, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to kick those bad habits to the curb. And make sure to stay until the end. I've got a special bonus tip that will keep you on track long term. Step 1. Recognize your trigger. Let's start with the first and most important step. Recognize your trigger. Every bad habit starts with a trigger. Maybe you check your phone when you're bored or snack when you're stressed. To fix the habit, you've got to find what's setting it off. Write down the situation where your habit kicks in, time, place, and emotions. Understanding the why will help you tackle the how. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Next up, set a clear, specific goal. Instead of saying, "I want to stop eating junk food," say, "I want to cut out chips and soda during weekdays." Clarity is power. The more specific your goal, the easier it is to work towards it. Step 3. Make a plan. Step 3 is all about making a plan. Now that you know your trigger and your goal, you need a game plan. What will you do when that trigger hits? Replacing the bad habit with a good one is key. Instead of grabbing a soda, maybe drink water. Instead of scrolling through social media, go for a short walk. Step 4. Start small. Step 4. Start small. You don't have to completely overhaul your life overnight. Instead of aiming to never eat junk food again, maybe start by cutting it out after dinner or limiting your portions. Small changes are easier to stick to and build momentum. Step 5. Be consistent. Consistency is king in step 5. The secret to breaking bad habits is doing it every day, even when it's tough. Whether it's 5 minutes of exercise or saying no to that extra soda, consistency is what gets results. Step 6. Commit for 21 days. And finally, Step 6. Commit for 21 days. Research shows it takes at least 21 days to break or form a habit. So make that commitment to yourself. Just 3 weeks of consistent effort, and you'll see change. By day 21, you'll feel stronger and more in control of your habits. And there you have it, 6 steps to break any bad habit in 21 days. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Let me know in the comments, what's the habit you're working on breaking? Let's support each other on this journey. Subscribe for more fitness, wellness, and health tips. Share this video with someone who's ready to break their bad habits.